For over 400 years, astronomers have made remarkable discoveries in our solar system. Among these are two major planets that were unknown to the ancients: Uranus, discovered in 1781, and Neptune in 1846. But before these discoveries, there were many attempts to find other planets, like Phaeton, believed to exist between Mars and Jupiter, or Vulcan, thought to be closer to the Sun than Mercury. In modern times, we've identified dwarf planets like Pluto and Eris beyond Neptune, and some astronomers are still searching for an elusive Planet 9. Yet, with the discovery of Uranus and Neptune, it seems our solar system is complete, with 8 major planets orbiting the Sun. Or is it? What if there is a hidden planet, one that we can't see because it lies directly behind the Sun? This idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. In fact, it dates back thousands of years to the Greek philosopher Philolaus. He proposed the existence of a counter-Earth known as Antichthon. Philolaus believed that the universe operated on principles of harmony and balance, with a great fire at its center. According to his theory, for balance to be maintained, there must be another Earth-like planet on the opposite side of this central fire, hidden from our view. Our understanding of the solar system has come a long way since ancient Greece. So, is there any chance that a hidden planet could be lurking behind the Sun? While the idea is intriguing, if such a planet existed, we would have detected it by now. For decades, we've sent spacecraft throughout the solar system, many designed to observe the Sun from different angles. No such planet has been found. Even if we somehow missed it, we would still be able to detect its presence through gravitational effects. A counter-Earth would exert a gravitational pull on other planets, and we would notice its influence on bodies like Mercury or Venus. This is similar to how Neptune was discovered, through its gravitational impact on Uranus. So, could a counter-Earth exist at all? From a purely theoretical standpoint, yes, it could, but it wouldn't stay hidden for long. The solar system is a dynamic place, with planets constantly influencing each other's orbits. If Antichthon suddenly appeared behind the Sun, it wouldn't remain there for very long. The gravitational pull of other planets, especially nearby ones like Venus, would eventually pull it out of hiding, possibly even bringing it into a close encounter with Earth. In conclusion, while the concept of a counter-Earth is fascinating, it's highly unlikely to exist in reality. The gravitational dynamics of our solar system would have revealed its presence by now, if it were real. So, for now, it seems our solar system truly is complete, with just 8 major planets,